we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash, and look up close. You can see it is carbon. Really, really nice. I don't see any flaws there. There's no PPF on this vehicle. Looking at that fender, looks good. The lower section looks nice. Handle area is clean. Side mirror looks good. That looks nice. Very, very clean. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Beautiful interior there. We'll check that out in just a second. Headlight looks good. I'm gonna get kind of up close here. Tiny rock impact there. The rest of that section looks good. Scanning the hood. That looks nice. Got a rock chip there, there, and you're gonna see a few just kind of peppered throughout. All very minimal. A little one there, a couple here and there. You have a gash right there, just under that headlight. A couple more rock chips. Looking at that front splitter. Looks nice. All of that looks good. Beautiful wheels. Door looks good. A couple small rock impacts there. All of that looks nice. Quarter panel's clean. Don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Deck lid looks good. Tail lights look nice. Back bumper's clean. Really no complaints there. All of this is very, very nice. And looking at the top, it's in great condition. All of that looks good. Tempered glass. Looks really good. I'm not seeing really any flaws there. Here on this door panel, upper section looks amazing. Lower side looks good. All of this is very clean. Looking at the jambs, they look awesome. Got the umbrella, of course, on both sides. If we look close at that bolster, you're gonna see a little bit of wear, but it's very minimal. Lower side looks good. Steering wheel's perfect. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. Looks like it has a screen protector on it still. A couple small markings, but otherwise this side looks really good. All right, checking out this door panel. Upper section looks good. All of that's clean. Looks really nice. That trim is perfect. Got your umbrella. Looking in the seat on the perforated holes, you're gonna see some white specks. Those just need to be cleaned out. You can see them in there as well. Probably need like a toothpick. That looks good. That side of the console's clean. Glove box looks amazing. Upper side of the dash is perfect. I mean, there's really not much to pick apart on this car. Seats look awesome. Small marking there on the lid, although that looks good. And checking out the engine bay, nice and clean. All the plastic looks amazing. Looks pretty much brand new. Right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now the flickering that you see here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. We have 9,293 miles on this vehicle. Beautiful orange interior. That sound you hear is an air tag going off, so don't mind that. Steering wheel is perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Of course, it's nice and quiet. Shifts nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit the brakes here. Stops perfect. No shakes or shimmies from the wheel when you apply the brakes, no vibrations. Drives like a brand new vehicle.